Alright, this tutorial will show you how to access the statistics assessment using the CPM website. So let's start by opening your browser and typing in ebooks.cpm.org. You don't see statistics listed, but you can get to the assessment from any book. So let's just select Algebra 1. You're still going to go to the bottom right and select CPM assessment. At the top, you see Home, Test Bank, Pre-Calculus, Calculus, and Statistics. We're going to go down to Problem Generator. Here is the chapter, so choose which chapter you're working in. We'll stick with Chapter 1. You're going to do 20 multiple choice and 5 free response. This will give you questions to select from when building your assessment. If you want the answers to print, we're going to click Show Solution. And then we're going to download either as a Word document or a PDF. Once the document downloads, you see all the questions have populated into the Word document. You have 20 multiple choice questions, 5 free response. At the end of the document, you have the answers for each of the questions in your assessment.